Hey, what's up guys? It's Jen, and you know what? I thought that today it might be fun to go through my trash. I see these videos all the time and they make me laugh, so I thought, you know, I'll just do the same thing. There's, you know, some beauty stuff in here. I don't know what else in here, so we're gonna find out though. I've been saving this for a while because it takes me a minute to go through some things. You know, like you do. So anyway, if you guys enjoy Empties videos, then keep watching. And if you don't, it's cool. I love you anyway, and I will see you in the next one. And if you're still here, then we are going to get started right now. Okay, so I thought I would just dig in. There is absolutely no rhyme or reason to this. I'm just gonna grab stuff and tell you what it is. All right, first we have from Beauty 360. If you don't know what Beauty 360 is, that is CVS's in-house brand. And this is their oil-free moisturizer. This is the one that it's a dupe for the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. It is an exact dupe. I used the Neutrogena and then I discovered this, which was like $3 cheaper for me. And I said, you know what, I'm just gonna give it a try. I love it. It's perfect. I need another one because this one's not quite there yet. There's still like a little smooch, but yeah, it's time for a new one. Next is the my simple cleansing wipes. These are just the cleansing wipes. These aren't the micellar wipes. I don't use these as makeup removers. What I actually use these for is after I've done all my cleansing. I use these as my toner. I know it sounds really bizarre, but it works for me. It's what I like to do. It just makes sure that my face is extra clean. So I do that, and then I add the moisturizer, and it's just perfect. I love it so much. These are great. I love them. They are like $5 at Walmart for a package of these. There you go. Speaking of simple, I did try their micellar cleansing water. Honestly, I didn't hate it, but if I'm honest, I didn't love it either. Honestly, I really prefer these, and for around the same price, I can get 2 of these versus 1 of these, and it lasts about the same amount of time. So I really did prefer these over this. That's just me. Call me weird. Next up is, these are also from CVS. This is their moisturizing body wash, and we had Tropical and Romance. They were good. They were body wash. There wasn't anything special about them. They smelled good. Actually, the Tropical, it was kind of a coconut scent, but it wasn't as good as the soft soap brand that I like so much. Yeah, the scent there wasn't quite the same. This smelled okay. It was alright. You know, they were both okay. Again, nothing to write home about, but they were cheap. I think at CVS I got them for $1. Unfortunately, my CVS is no longer carrying these, so I couldn't find them there. So I don't know if they're even still carrying these or not. Do you have a CVS? Do they have these there? What do you think? Let me know. Contact solution. Obviously, we have Renew, which is like a more, I mean, it's not like, I don't think there's really a high end, but this one's like $8. And then I found the Equate, which is the Walmart brand, for a pack of 2 for like $2 less than 1 bottle of this, and I was like, yeah, I'm down. So this was contact solution. Again, nothing special, nothing to write home about. This does exactly the same thing for like a fraction of the cost. So yeah, definitely guys, if you can go for store brand, go for store brand. So much cheaper. And what can I say? I'm cheap. Listerine Total Care Fresh Mint mouthwash with my dog hair all over it. It was okay. It's not my favorite. I don't know. It felt funny on my mouth. It made my mouth feel weird. I used it because I'm cheap and I'm not going to buy a whole other bottle of mouthwash when I have a full one, but it was okay. Not my favorite. These are the Great Value Flushable Wipes. Not Vault Boy approved. Let me tell you, they're okay, but they dry out really quickly, and honestly, I'm just gonna stick with Cottonelle. They cost a little bit more, but it's worth it, honestly. Random? I have a packing list in here. Oh, it's my packing list for the needs and the wants. Hey. Speaking of, I have both packages in here. I'm not going to show you all both of them, but I do have my packaging in there. I don't know. I mean, I kind of felt like maybe I should keep it, but it's a box. What am I going to do with it? I've got the palettes. The palettes are cute. All right, so we have from By Nature the Purifying Charcoal and Manuka Honey Face Mask. It stunk. It left black stuff all over my face and all over my sink. It was a pain in the butt. I will not be using this again. Also, honestly, I don't feel like it did much to my face. Just saying. It was not awesome. Toothbrush. This is the Colgate 360 toothbrush. I hate it. It has this thing right here on the back. It tore my mouth to shreds. It was awful. Awful, 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 awful. I will never, ever, 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 ever buy another one of these again. It was terrible. I went back to just using a regular toothbrush and so much happier, so much more gentle on my mouth than that was. It was terrible. Hey look, we have some actual makeup items in here. Holy bazzoli. Okay, we have the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set and the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. I constantly have these on hand at all times. Usually with the e.l.f. I had the regular one, the matte one, and the illuminating one. My Walmart stopped carrying the illuminating one. I need to check with CVS and see if they do. I just hate buying stuff at CVS rather than Walmart because it's always like $1 more at CVS. That's just me. And I don't like shopping online for stuff like that just because I'm just weird like that. Anyway, but this is always in stock. This stuff, guys, is a dupe for the Urban Decay All-Nighter. You think I'm kidding? I'm not. This stuff is the shiz. Let's see. Okay, oh, yeah, an old, very old. All my trash seems to have my dog's hair. This is Gandalf. Meet Gandalf. And this is my Frodo. My dog's names, by the way, if you're ever wondering, are Frodo and Gandalf. Gandalf is a big white Maremma sheepdog. They're closely related to the Great Pyrenees. And my Frodo is a Maltese Shih Tzu mix. And he's coming over here to say hi. Hi, puppies. Oh, this is Frodo. He's all fuzzy. He needs a haircut. Say hi. Oh, I love you so much. He's like, Mom, leave me alone. Okay, so now here is my old beat up Real Techniques sponge. I have another one that is in almost as bad condition. I really need to get a new one. They're cheap, guys. They're like $5. They're well worth the price. I like these more than my beauty blender. I still have my beauty blender that I bought like 2 years ago that I very rarely use because I'm always using these because they're just, I just like them better. All right, so we have a Becca highlighter. This was the Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. I got this in a kit that I got at Sephora, and I do like it. It's really, really, really pretty. It's very, just really pretty. But it completely shattered, and it is completely empty now. So, sad face. We have the Too Faced Hangover RX. Guys, this is the only high-end primer that I like, okay? This is the only one that I will use. This is the only one that I care about. And I am going to put some money aside and I am going to invest in a full size of this because I love it that much. This is my favorite primer. I just love it. I just love it, okay? I also, by the way, I also used the tried the setting sprays out. Jennifer, learn to talk. I also tried the setting spray out and I like it too a lot, but not as much as I like my cheapy Wet n Wild and e.l.f. ones, but. And I think this is the last thing in here. Yeah, this is the IT Cosmetics No Tug Waterproof Gel Eyeliner, and it dried out on me. It did nothing. And nada sucky. So, yeah, it gotta go bye-bye. But it was good. I liked it, you know, when it lasted. It was alright. I mean, you know, it's alright. It's not my LA Colors one, by any means, so. Alright. Okay, guys, so that's it. That is a look through my trash. I really hope that you had fun, enjoyed seeing what I've used up. I am actually probably going to do a declutter video very soon of probably just lipsticks, because I have a lot of lipsticks that just need to go. they just need to go. Yeah, they just need to go. I'm having a hard time letting go because it's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. Oh my god, I sound like a dolphin. Anyway guys, that is it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And yeah, I love you guys so much. And I'm so glad to be doing videos for you again. I really hope to be doing lots more now that I have my little setup here. It's so much easier to just turn the camera on and go. Yeah, so anyway, that is it for me guys. I love you very, very, very much. I'm sending you love and hugs from me to you. And remember that you are created in the image of a loving God who thinks you are absolutely amazing just the way you are. I love you so, so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!